and Kuya EJ, Ate Feby, and not so baby Elsie.
And
So,
my dad is in the washroom.
yes, nag-washroom pa si mahal ko. So ngayon, ano kami, Filipino mukbang, Filipino food mukbang, ang mga chips, mga snacks pala.
Oh. And I have my candy, and I have my candy.
So yes,
Oh yeah.
okay, so ito pala yung paborito ko when I was, yes ate, can I, yeah wait ate, I will just introduce the names of the food, okay? So ito is yung langka, ito yung paborito ko when I was in elementary, hindi ko talaga makakalimutan ito. May mga flavor to na ube, langka, yan lang yung na-remember ko. And ito, my ultimate favorite, cracklings! Shout out to Ate Lalay. I know she loves this so much. And to my late Mama Mona, ito din, remember ko talaga, gustong-gusto din to ng late Mama ko. And what is that, Kuya?
Fudge bar!
Yes, how about this,
Ate
Ate?
Angel and Ate Lai.
Yeah, and how about this, this one, Ate? This is Oishi. Maanghang to. Pero kumakain sila. Sabi nila hindi daw. So, ngayon, yes, okay.
I hope it's gonna be good.
Tingnan mo. Si Alfie, binigyan ko na siya ng isa. And he likes it. So, ngayon is si Ate Feby and si Kuya EJ. Let's see kung anong reaction na. Wait sa ate, ha? Yeah, okay. One for you and one for Kuya. Say, let's see. Yeah, you describe. How was it? When Mama
I
is...
want a big. What is this? Is
This,
one?
we call it langka. When I was young, I used to have this. I'm not sure if Tito Chino nakatry nito, but Tito's cat.
Like this?
I'm not sure as well. But natikman nila to. How was it? Mga kababayan, di ba? Na-try nyo ba ito? So,
Yummy! Yummy!
do you like it? Hmm?
I ate it.
But my question is, do you like it? Yes or no?
It's like a gum.
Okay, it's okay, Kuya. You don't like it?
And I like it.
It's okay.
I like it. Then the next one is fudge bar.
You already tried this one many times, so I'm sure. Okay. Ang rule ng mga mama at papa, taga-ubos.
I can like it.
Will you like it? Ate? It's okay.
Oh, I opened it the whole time.
Good job.
I can
What you gonna say?
Guess
Ate?
what?
Ate Feby?
Hey everyone.
Ate, oh.
So now you have to subscribe and click the bell. So we always say that. And click the bell button.
Good job, Ate!
And link in the description below. And subscribe my mom.
Thank you, Yang. Thank you, mga anak.
And she's good vlogging. And you make sure you subscribe her to 1,000 and we watch subscribers. And we watch Netflix at Gina's. And nighttime.
Yeah.
And Tagay gonna go.
Sabi niya, nag-watch kami ng yung Passion of the Christ. Umiyak siya. So, ngayon, si Alfie lang ang may gusto kasi wala siyang choice. While waiting, kasi si Papa Alan, nag-decide siya na mag-cut, mag-clipper. Ako daw ang gagawa, pero kay AJ, siguro siya. So, as we're waiting, yeah.
And me too?
No, your hair is still okay. Hello! So, ito na ang sabi ko. Ako daw yung papagupitin niya ay pakli-clipper di ay. So, can you say hi to my vlog?
Hello.
So, this is my husband, my mahal ko.
Yan, kinamugulangan.
So, ito ang update. plate.
Doble cara.
Haplo po.
Ako, pagay kakatunga.
Dito.
Oh.
Ang ano pala dito, oh. Hap, siguro no. Hindi ba? Okay. So, post na naman. Kapag change na. Kanina, anong number yun kanina, mahal?
5-8.
5-8 ngayon is 1/4. Yep. So, let's start. Guys, come.
Sagot sa si Konya yang diretso ha. Putla na na ang taas yan ha. Thank you. Ay, kalahian la.
Naka.
Ako.
Yes. May kalayan.
Klaro na ako bagol-bagol.
Klaro na kayo. Patigas pa. Peace out, mo. Lahat naman tayo na may kasta. So, palagi itong naliligo ang mahal ko. Kaso, may kasta pa rin. Okay, so update ko kayo mamaya for the final touch. At natapos na kami. Tingnan nyo yung outcome.
Oh, ha?
How was it?
Good na.
Sure na?
Yeah. Excuse me.
Let's see, mahal. Sa likod daw, mahal. Kita natin. Sa pikas. Yan na po. And then, kagwapo, buyag. At ngayon naman, gugupitan pala niya ang panganay namin na si Kuya AJ. So, I'll see you later. Hindi pala ako kaagad pagkatapos ng pag-clipper ko kay mahal ko. Kasi nga yung youngest namin makaiiyak pa. So, kakakargahin ko. So, ngayon, it's Kuya's turn. Hi, Kuya!
You want upaw or dili? You want upaw? Okay.
Okay. So, Ate Feb,
But not all the way.
Minane.
No.
like a little bit lang. Yeah. Okay.
Tama rin.
So, ito naman si Ate Febby.
Minane lang.
What do you want, Ate?
I want to
Dili lang sa gilid.
and the top a little bit. Be a princess.
You wanna be a princess and then you don't need to have a cut to cut your hair. Kasi maano man siya, ma-short o tamot. Gusto ka? Okay, let's ask Papa if kanang pwede. Gusto din niya. Okay, so see you later ha. Titingnan natin yung resulta. So, see you later guys. Ito na, nagsisimula na po pala sila. Ayan.
I said only a little bit.
Ayaw niya na kagaya kay Papa niya. So, medyo siguro gusto niya medyo mahaba konti.
Huh? Mom, can I be a princess?
Gusto talaga niya.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, sorry for our washroom na open. Di ko alam sino nagamit.
Mom! Are you making my hair so bald?
Oh.
No!
Sa
I
Pilipinas
don't wanna be
sana.
bald!
Dili lagi.
Sa Pilipinas sana papagupitan si Kuya AJ. Kaso nga na-cancelled yung uwi namin. So, yun, si Papa Ala na lang. Tapos ayaw din namin lumabas. So, tingnan natin ha yung yung outcome. So, see you later pala. Likod please na.
Dito daw.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Good?
Kasi ayaw niya kagaya sa papa niya. So, yan. Yes. I'll show you, Inak. So, tapos na sila. Thank you, Pang. Ang galing ni Papa.
Can I take this off?
Yan lang, yan.
Si Ate Feby naman, gusto talaga niyang magpakat.